TRAM provides a multitude of printed reports and forms, available at the touch of a button. Basic reports and forms include registration forms, both blank and completed, participant lists in multiple sequences, event division lists, division rosters, fighter elimination charts, payments by date, event statistics, division results, and ring assignment lists. All reports are provided in PDF format and may be saved or printed. All basic reports are included free of charge, but for a small upgrade fee, advanced users gain access to the Premium Reports and Forms package. Premium reports include competitor checking cards, player scorecards, and the ability to download files for auto-calling, emailing, or direct mail.